Computers get old.
Take this one, for instance. I built this one 11 months ago, and if I'm honest, it's a good one. It's a good computer, but it's got some aging hardware, and I really need to take care of it. And yeah, hopefully it goes well.
Now, as I was editing, I was only now realising how boring it was for me to meticulously explain every single thing. So here's a montage.
Here we go. The moment of truth. Was all of this worth it? Okay, so as you can tell, the PC is on and it's working. I just need to fix that ARGB fan so that it matches with like the white kind of thing.
And now it's time for testing. So there you have it. Now, if I'm honest, this video didn't turn out as long as I wanted it to be, but that's because I'm working on some other quite big projects, so stay tuned for that. Other than that, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.